Stop scrolling and look at this unbelievable machine. You are looking at an underwater-capable luxury RV cruising down a coastal highway in broad daylight. Wrapped in deep oceanic navy blue and brushed steel, it drives like an armored cruiser and looks like a sci-fi submarine. Stick around, because this deep-sea beast takes travel into the abyss. When the road ends, the real adventure begins. With the press of a button, the wheels retract into pressure-sealed bays, and the vessel dives straight into the ocean waves. It bridges the gap between coastal road trips and deep-sea exploration. Cruising beneath the waves, this underwater mansion commands total freedom. Framed by vibrant underwater coral gardens and glowing marine life, its multi-level observation deck shines bright. It features automated pressure balancing and silent electric propulsion. It is ultimate peace and luxury combined in the deep sea. Step inside the main cabin, and you enter an aquatic penthouse suite. Styled with custom waterproof navy leather seating and brushed titanium accents. A 360-degree panoramic glass dome ensures you experience the ocean life from every angle. It's an elite space built for pure relaxation beneath the waves. Even hundreds of feet underwater, you can enjoy five-star dining. The compact marine kitchen features magnetic induction stovetops, custom synthetic countertops, and secure lockdown refrigeration drawers. Everything is engineered to stay completely balanced during deep dives or highway driving. Up in the forward command bridge, dual-mode control systems manage both ground steering and submarine navigation. Holographic sonar charts and depth guidance displays give you total mastery over your journey. Whether plotting a coastal highway or an underwater trench route, the controls adapt instantly. Move toward the rear section, and you find a private master bedroom suite. A queen-sized anti-gravity floating bed surrounded by acoustic dampening panels and soft bioluminescent lighting. Sleep soundly while drifting through the quiet ocean currents far below the storm. Step out onto the reinforced observation platform when parked on the ocean floor. Outfitted with luxury deep-sea diving gear storage and underwater lighting arrays. Parked next to a peaceful seabed garden, it serves as your ultimate underwater base camp. Absolute adventure awaits. No other vehicle on Earth gives you this level of extreme dual-environment freedom, shifting effortlessly from asphalt roads to deep underwater trenches. It opens up worlds that standard RVs and traditional boats can never reach. The boundaries of exploration have expanded into the ocean. The subcruiser RV shatters every limitation of traditional travel. Would you take this land and sea submarine mansion on your next ultimate journey? Let us know in the comments.